Now, what we have here is your standardized burps and farts, right? Hello? Roger. Just roll. You ready to roll? Do it.
Farts, burps and farts. Once you perfect it, it's like an art. You can use it at work or in the park. Share the wealth, and others will start. Burps and farts, burps and farts. I like to do 'em well, pushing the cart. Through the grocery store, I seem to have more gas to pass from my mouth and ass. Everyone has gas, yeah, but they try not to pass. Do not hold it in, no. The Bible don't say that it's a sin, yeah. Burps and farts, burps and farts. They sometimes smell, but that's the start of a wonderful day. In your personal space, they stay out of your way. For those of you who don't burp and fart, you need to try and get a start. 'Cause if you don't relieve that gas, you will explode with a blast. Everyone has gas. They push and try to pass. It's either silent or loud. Either way, you should be proud to burp and fart right now. Try to pass your natural gas. From the heart, push that fart. Yeah, eat some chili, don't be silly. Push it out and just try to burp and fart.